Hello guys, it's Friday today. It's Monggo Day. Ayan na, nilalaba ko na yung monggo. Ayan na guys, okay na yung monggo natin. Ayan natin to. Maya-maya magkikisa na tayo. Ito ang ating malunggay guys. For our monggo for today's ulam, breakfast. Ayan. Hello guys, mag-start na tayo magluto. 1 tablespoon of oil. Tapos, gigisa na tayo ng sibuyas at bawang. Hanggat sa mag-golden brown na yung bawang. Ayan na guys. Golden brown na. Sunod na natin ang luya. Of course, ang ating chicken. Nekot. Takpan natin. Waiting later. Guys, ayan na guys. Oh, lalagyan ko siya ng 4 cubes. 4 cubes lang meron ako guys. Kaya yan lang lagi nilalagay ko. Ayan na guys. Letos na natin. Oh my God. Lalagyan natin ng tubig guys. Ayan. 3 cups of water. Tapos yung munggo, ilalagay na natin. Tapos, yung kalabasa. Pati na din yung carrots. Mekos. Tapos takpan natin ulit, pakuluan hanggang sa lumambot yung kalabasa at yung carrots. Hello guys, kumukulo na siya. Ngayon, maglalagay naman tayo ng pepper. Guys, optional lang to ah. Gusto ko lang madagdagan yung panlasa. Thyme. Tapos, maglalagay din ako ng oregano. Gusto ko kasi guys na may add panlasa. Ganda kasi. Parang hindi ko siya masyadong oregano. Pecos. Ang dami pa rin mga please. Tapos, of course, nalagay tayo ng salt. Yan, salt. Pecos. Takpan natin ulit, guys. And later, bubuksan natin. Ayan na, guys. Tikman na natin. Mukhang malambot na yung kalabasa at carrots. Tikman natin, guys. Kulang ko sa dadagdagan ko ng asin guys. Hindi ako sabi guys asin. Salt. Pecos. Tapos, ilalagay ko na din yung okra guys. Wala akong spring onion guys. Hindi ako makahanap. Then, of course, yung malunggay. Pampahaba ng buhay. Gulay. Guys. Talaga. Tapos dalawa lang kami kakain. Okay, sakpan natin ulit. Hi guys, ayan, tignan natin ulit guys kasi nilagyan ko siya ng asin ulit. Okay na siya guys. Ang sarap. Of course, Monggo. Friday, Monggo Day. Yan na guys, oh, ang daming gulay. So, masarap. This is our ulam for today, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. God bless you all. This is my Monggo. Because it's Friday, it's Monggo Day. Thank you for watching. Finish na. Guys, ngayon guys, ang aming prutas is avocado shake. Mag-shake kami ng avocado para sa aming breakfast also with Monggo. This is our avocado shake. Yan na yung avocado. Tapos lalagyan lang namin ng milk. Of course, wala na kaming almond milk. So, ganyang milk na lang. Ayan. Yan. Tapos yan, isusunod na lang aking Yan. Nilagyan niya ulit ng gatas, guys. Yan. Dami. That's okay. Say hello to God. Say hello. Hello? Yeah.
Hello? Hello?
Ayan guys. Enough na?
Undermilk.
It's enough na yan?
You think so?
That one.
Maybe more.
Enough na yan?
Okay.
So good. Ang avocado shake. Hello guys, it's time to eat na. Our avocado shake. Yan na guys, kakain na kami. Hi guys. Now it's time to eat our Monggo and our avocado. This is yours now.
Thank you.
Ang dami naming gulay today, guys. Super sarap. Many of you need to taste the avocado.
Yeah.
You try if masarap pa.
Yeah.
I will try, guys. For me, good. But I don't know for my husband.
It's good.
Good?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, this one naman. Sarap. You like it?
I like.
Very healthy. Sarap, guys. Sarap.
Healthy food is a good food. Michelle, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you for watching. God bless you all. Bye-bye.